Very nice. Just any. Yeah.
Thank you. Now you're the only single fireman at the group, yes?
Oh, I'm not married. No. A little baby Lola. She's just turned up about a year ago or so.
I think it's about time you actually made an honest woman of her.
Absolutely.
I think you should get on the mobile telephone and fucking ask her to marry you. You must want to marry her, surely, yes? You don't want to keep her waiting any fucking longer. Jean-Baptiste, get me a phone, please. Any fucking mobile telephone, get me one, yes? Yes? Yes, he will. Right, guys, I want you to come round here. Yeah, leave that for 2 seconds, yes? I've got a phone coming through. I'll have it on speaker. Yes.
Russ, don't do it, you don't want it, man.
Russ.
Don't do it, son. Russ. Make a good woman of her. Do you want to do it or not?
He loves her to bits. Of course he does. I do love it.
Of course you love her to bits.
Bang out of order.
OK, right.
Oh, no way.
Yes. Ask the dining to be nice and quiet, please. There's something major going on at the moment, yes?
No, yeah. Russell.
Quiet, please.
I do hope that is the right number. Oh. We've only just moved into this house.
Susie?
Yeah?
I'm so sorry, darling. Were you sleeping?
No.
No, you weren't. It's Gordon Ramsay here, just calling from the F-word kitchen. Russell's had the most amazing day. There's something he's been dying to ask you, and it's taken this moment to realise that he's been wasting time for the last 5 years. OK, right, Russell, I want you to shout down the phone to your beloved Susie.
Suze, can you hear me?
I'm here, I can hear you.
I'm on one knee.
Suze, I'm on one knee actually at the moment.
Liar.
Suze, I am. Suze, will you marry me?
Are you joking?
Don't talk
For real, go for it.
Joking, aren't you?
Suze, I'm not joking. I'm standing here. All the lads are behind me.
Please say yes.
Gordon's dragged it out of me. He said it's far too long now. Please say yes.
Ask me again.
Suze, will you marry me?
I will.
Congratulations. Get some champagne. John, some champagne, please. Look, the girls want to say congratulations.
Girls and girls allowed to.
They just got engaged. Yes. Hey, listen, I'm so happy for you, you know that? Hey, listen, trust me, the best thing I ever did was getting married. Trust me.
Good.
It's really nice. It's really nice.
Results for the desserts? OK, Jean-Baptiste.
Yep.
Hopefully, good news, yes? 31 out of 50 starter, 37 out of 50 for main, yes?
Yeah.
How many customers are going to be paying? Yes, come on, JP.
Yeah, for dessert. OK, we're having tonight...
You need 38 to beat last week's brigade.
Come on.
28.
Oh, God. Why? Why?
Too long again. Too bland.
Too bland. It's a beautiful, ripe summer berry soup.
Yeah,
floating islands.
But that's what they said.
Champagne. Champagne.
What's a bunch of
That's a grand total of 96, yes, out of 150, yeah? Sadly, you will not be coming back.
It's rubbish. Don't invite people who can afford to pay for dinner.
Okay.
Good luck with the wedding. Yes.
Good.
Just get yourselves a drink, chill, stroppy knickers.
Yeah, lovely.
You big fanny. I've got it.
Yeah,
you could be the next fanny cracker. You know that, yes?